What is it that calls us from the stars? A whisper across time, a question older than civilization itself. Somewhere out there is our past, and maybe it's our future. So we built a mirror, one that sees not the present, but the beginning of time. Hubble showed us wonders, galaxies colliding, nebulae blooming. But even Hubble has limits. To see further means to see deeper, to look not at stars as they are, but as they were, billions of years ago. We needed a telescope beyond Earth, shielded from its warmth, cooled to near absolute zero, to see heat, the faint glow of ancient light. They said it couldn't be built, too complex, too fragile. But after decades of vision, engineers unfolded a miracle, a golden mirror made of 18 hexagonal eyes, a sun shield the size of a tennis court, packed like origami, sent 1,000,000 miles from Earth. Not to orbit us, but to orbit a point in space where Earth's gravity balances the sun's. Lagrange Point 2, a quiet, cold shadow where the Webb would awaken. It unfolded perfectly, like clockwork, in space, a symphony of precision. And then it saw infant galaxies, stars being born, water in the atmosphere of distant worlds. JWST didn't just take pictures, it rewrote the cosmic timeline. Galaxies formed earlier than we thought, light bent by dark matter, the ingredients of life scattered in alien skies. Looking through Webb is looking back in time. Every photon it captures traveled billions of years to meet us. The farther it sees, the younger the universe was. In its eyes, we glimpse the first stars, the first sparks of something becoming everything. Beyond stars, JWST searches planets, not just for atmospheres, but signs, water, methane, carbon. We're not just looking for planets, we're listening for whispers of life. Why do we search? Why stare into the dark? Because the universe is not silent. It echoes with stories, written in light. And JWST is our storyteller, our mirror, reflecting not just stars, but our desire to understand. Out there, we find pieces of ourselves. James Webb is not the end. It is a beginning, a tool of science, but also a symbol of what humanity can build. When we dream big, we launched a telescope, but what we truly sent was a question into the deep, and now we listen for answers.